Are you gonna do it? Are you over? Oh my gosh.
She knows.
No. Oh my god. Now she's doing it every time. Finley! You just rolled over for the first time. You gotta get your arm out. Oh.
Yay!
Oh my gosh. Good thing your mom's not on the phone. Wait, she is. But who got it on film? I did. Hi. Did we get that on film? Did we get that on film? Now you're mad? Yay! Oh man. Now we can't put you on the ottoman. Good job, honey. Good job. Who rolled over? Who rolled over? Okay, you're mad.